Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Oh, Maria, Maria. She fell in love in East LA to the sounds of the guitar, yeah, yeah. Played by Carlos Santana.